Mazda has built a strong reputation around its SkyActiv engine technology, praised for blending performance, efficiency, and reliability without heavily relying on hybrid systems. From the sporty Mazda CX-5 to the refined Mazda 6 and family-focused Mazda CX-9, these engines power some of the brand's most popular models. But beneath the polished marketing and engaging driving experience, a number of persistent issues have surfaced over time. While many SkyActiv engines are indeed reliable, several quiet complaints continue to circulate among mechanics, long-term owners, and independent analysts. This deep dive explores the four most talked about concerns: the 2.5T coolant leak defect, carbon buildup in direct injection engines, oil consumption and dilution problems, aging transmission and legacy hardware. Let's break down what's really going on and what it means for buyers. 1. The 2.5T coolant leak and cylinder head defect. The most controversial issue tied to SkyActiv engines involves the turbocharged 2.5-liter SkyActiv-G 2.5T engine. This powertrain was widely used in models like the CX-9, 2016 to 2020, CX-5, 2019 to 2020, and Mazda 6, 2018 to 2020. What went wrong? Experts have identified a structural weakness in the cylinder head, specifically near the exhaust manifold. Under heat stress and long-term use, small cracks can form in this area. Once that happens, coolant may begin to leak externally, or worse, internally into the engine oil system. Why that's serious? When coolant mixes with engine oil, it compromises lubrication. That can quickly escalate into bearing damage, overheating, complete engine failure. In severe cases, the engine becomes irreparable without major component replacement. Mazda's response. Instead of issuing a full recall, Mazda Motor Corporation addressed the issue through Technical Service Bulletins (TSBs), a limited customer service program (CSP-11). This program extended warranty coverage for affected vehicles, but only under certain conditions. Expert Insight automotive engineers point out that this type of failure is not typical wear and tear. It's a design vulnerability. The lack of a formal recall has been a point of criticism, as many owners only discovered the issue after experiencing symptoms. The real cost. If the vehicle falls outside the warranty extension, repairs can be expensive. Cylinder head replacement, partial or full engine rebuild. Costs can easily reach thousands of dollars, making this one of the most serious SkyActiv-related concerns. 2. Carbon buildup in direct injection engines. Like many modern engines, SkyActiv-G engines rely on direct fuel injection. While this improves efficiency and power, it introduces a known long-term issue: carbon buildup. How it happens. In traditional engines, fuel is sprayed into the intake ports, washing over the intake valves and keeping them clean. In direct injection systems, fuel is injected directly into the combustion chamber, bypassing the valves entirely. Over time, oil vapors and combustion byproducts accumulate on the intake valves, forming carbon deposits. The symptoms. As buildup increases, drivers may notice reduced engine performance, sluggish acceleration, poor fuel economy, rough idling. Mazda's position. Mazda has never treated this as a defect. It's considered a normal side effect of direct injection technology. Expert Insight technicians note that carbon buildup is inevitable in DI engines, but the severity depends on driving habits and maintenance. Short trips and low engine temperatures tend to accelerate the issue. The fix cleaning methods include walnut blasting, most effective. Manual intake cleaning. This typically becomes necessary around 80,000 to 120,000 miles, though it varies by usage. 3. Oil consumption and dilution issues. Another less publicized concern involves oil consumption, particularly in earlier turbocharged SkyActiv engines produced between 2016 and early 2019. Root cause. The issue stems from a flawed positive crankcase ventilation (PCV) system integrated into the valve cover. This design allowed excessive oil vapor to circulate back into the intake system. What that leads to: increased oil consumption, oil dilution, especially in short-trip driving, spark plug fouling, potential turbocharger wear. Mazda's fix. Mazda eventually redesigned the PCV system to better regulate crankcase pressure. However, this change came after many vehicles were already on the road. Expert Insight engine specialists emphasize that oil-related issues are especially dangerous because they often go unnoticed until damage has already occurred. Low oil levels or diluted oil reduce lubrication efficiency, increasing wear on critical components. Long-term risk. If not addressed, these problems can lead to turbocharger seal failure, engine knocking, premature wear. Owners of older models should monitor oil levels closely and follow strict maintenance intervals. 4. Aging technology versus modern industry trends. Mazda has taken a unique approach in the automotive industry. While competitors rapidly shift toward hybrid and electric vehicles, Mazda has focused on refining internal combustion engines. The upside. This strategy has allowed Mazda to maintain engaging driving dynamics, keep vehicles lighter and more responsive, offer premium interiors at competitive prices. The downside. However, there are trade-offs. Many SkyActiv-powered vehicles still rely on older platform architectures, naturally aspirated 2.5L engines, a traditional 6-speed automatic transmission. Where it falls behind, compared to hybrid competitors, these vehicles may show lower fuel efficiency, slower technological evolution, less advanced drivetrain options. Cylinder deactivation concerns. Some naturally aspirated engines include cylinder deactivation technology, which shuts off cylinders under light load to save fuel. While effective in theory, long-term concerns include uneven engine wear, increased vibration over time, expert insight. Industry analysts suggest Mazda's strategy is both bold and risky. By delaying full hybrid adoption, the brand risks falling behind in efficiency metrics, especially in markets where fuel economy standards are tightening. What buyers should do before purchasing. If you're considering buying a used Mazda with a SkyActiv engine, a careful approach can save you from expensive surprises. 1. Check the VIN. Always run the vehicle identification number through Mazda's official recall and service database. This helps identify warranty extensions, service campaigns, past repairs. 2. Review service history. Look for consistent maintenance records, especially oil changes, cooling system inspections, engine repairs. 3. Inspect for warning signs. Pay attention to coolant loss, oil consumption, rough engine performance. 4. Get a professional inspection. A trusted mechanic can detect early signs of cylinder head issues, carbon buildup, PCV system problems. 5. Stay informed. Legal actions and technical investigations, such as those involving SkyActiv engine defects, can provide valuable insights into long-term reliability trends. Final thoughts. Reliable, but not perfect. Mazda's SkyActiv engines remain among the most engaging and efficient non-hybrid powertrains available. They deliver a driving experience that many competitors struggle to match. However, the reality is more nuanced than the marketing suggests. The balanced truth, yes, many SkyActiv engines are reliable, but specific model years and configurations have known weaknesses. Some issues were addressed quietly rather than publicly. Expert conclusion. For informed buyers, these engines can still be a solid choice, provided you understand the risks and know what to look for. Ignoring these known concerns, however, can turn an otherwise enjoyable ownership experience into a costly one.